Learn English with Titanic movie. Dive into tenses with Titanic. Simple future tense with timeline. Simple future tense. Timeline. The simple future tense is used for action that will happen in the future. For a clearer understanding, pause the video and look at the timeline below. Titanic examples. The rescue ship will arrive soon. It's a future event. Rose will live a full life, as Jack asked. It's a promise or prediction about her future. Rose will never forget Jack. It's a strong future feeling or fact. The Titanic story will be famous forever. It's a prediction about its lasting fame. Survivors will go to New York on the Carpathia. It's a future action for them. Like, comment and subscribe.